Are you planning to refinance your mortgage? Don't let paperwork slow you down. Here's your ultimate refinancing checklist to get it done fast. In the next 60 seconds, I'll walk you through every document you need so your refinancing application goes smoothly. Let's start with the basics. First, your identity documents. A government-issued photo ID, your social security card, and a recent utility bill to confirm your address. Next, your income and employment verification. If you're a W-2 employee, grab your latest pay stubs and the past 2 years of W-2s. If you're self-employed, you'll need complete federal tax returns with all schedules, plus a year-to-date profit and loss statement. Then, gather proof of your assets and debts. That means 2 months of bank statements, plus any investment or retirement accounts. Also, include statements for your credit cards, car loans, student loans, or any other outstanding debt. Finally, your property and insurance details. You'll need your homeowner's insurance declarations page, the most recent property tax bill, and your title insurance policy if available. Once you've got everything ready, organize it into a single digital folder. That's half the battle won. After finalizing the paperwork, if you are confused and want to see if you qualify for a better rate, head over to instarefi.com right now to check your options for free, with no effect to your credit score.